Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how can you link your Twitch account to any Epic Games account that you've got. It's pretty easy and it's not that hard, and I'm going to show you how you can do it right now. So once you have your PC or your laptop open, you're going to open up any browser that you have, and once you open up any browser, you're going to search for Epic Games Sign In, and then you're going to sign in with the account that you want to link Twitch to. Once you do that, and once you sign in, you're going to be greeted with this web page. You're going to go all the way to the top right corner, okay, and then onto account. Okay, once you click onto account, you're going to go all the way over there to the left, and then down to apps and connects, apps and accounts. And once you're in apps and accounts, you're going to go all the way to accounts, and from accounts, you're going to go onto Twitch over here, and then you're going to click on connect. Once you click on connect, you're going to be greeted with this, and you're going to click link account. Once you click link account, you're going to be greeted with your Twitch login account, and you're going to go log in with whatever Twitch account you want to be connected. Once you log in, that's it. You connected your Twitch account to your Epic Games account. So yeah, that was it now for guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you later.